कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन व्रज जनरंजन यशोदनंदन व्रज जनरंजन यमुना तेरा वनचारी यमुना तेरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Srila Prabhupada. Gurudev, 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 Jaya Srila Gurudev. Hare Naam Sankirtan Mahotsav ki jai, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hare Hare Bol. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye. Nashuprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhakti Bhavati Nashtuki. So by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and blessings of our Acharyas, Gurujanas, and with the support of all, Srimad Bhagavatam is going on very smoothly, and I think we have crossed more than 400 days. Fantastic. More than 400 days we have completed. And still, same enthusiasm, inquisitiveness to know, trying to understand who Krishna is, and then try to meditate upon and purify the existence of our human form. So today, we'll be hearing from Lord Vishnu. He is saying, Prajapati Sutam Samran Manurvikhyata Mangalaha Brahmavartam Yodhivashan Shanti Saptaranva Mahim Prajapati Shuta Samran Manurvikhyata Mangalaha Brahma Brata Yo Adivashan Sasi Saptaravana Mahim Prajapati Sutta Samran Manurvikhyata Mangalaha Brahma Bratam Yo Adivashan Sasi Saptaranava Mahim. Synonyms: Prajapati Sutaha, the son of Lord Brahma; Samrat, the emperor; Manuhu, Swayambhu Manu; Vikhyata, well known; Mangalaha, whose righteous act; Brahma Vartam, Brahma Varta; Yaha, he who; Adivasan, living in; Shasti, rules; Sapta, 7; Arnatavam, ocean; Mahim, the earth. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Now, your attention required. The Emperor Swayambhu Manu, the son of Lord Brahma, who is well known for his righteous acts, has his seat in the Brahmavarta and rule over the earth with his 7 oceans. Purport. Sometimes it is stated that Brahmavarta is a part of Kurukshetra, or that Kurukshetra itself is situated in Brahmavarta, because the demigods are recommended to perform spiritual ritualistic performances in Kurukshetra. But in others' opinion, Brahmavarta is the place in Brahmaloka where Swayambhu ruled. There are many places on the surface of this earth which are also known in the higher planetary system. We have places on this planet like Vrindavana, Dwarika and Mathura, but they are also eternally situated in Krishna Loka. There are many similar names on the surface of the earth. And it may be that in the Boer age of Swayambhu Manu ruled this planet as stated here. The word Mangalaha is significant. Mangala means one who is elevated in every respect in the opulence of religious performances, ruling power, cleanliness, and all other good qualities. Vyakyuta. Vyakyuta means celebrated. Swayambhu Manu was celebrated for all good qualities and opulences. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnanaanjana Salakaya Chakshmanitameenam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Mano Vaishnava Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supadantikam Bandeham Sri Guru Shetapadakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhuidam Savadutam Prajana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitamsa He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanda Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishvanasate Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vesha Kripa Sindhu Eva Cha Patita Nama Pavane Vyo Vaishnave Vyo Namo Nama Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vishtaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swaminiti Namine Namo Acharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pradayane Gaur Katha Damadaya Nagar Gram Tarane Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vishtaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyata Desha Tarane Jai Srila Prabhupada. So we are hearing from Lord Vishnu and he is addressing to Kardama Muni. Here, generally the procedure is the devotees they glorify the God. The devotees they glorify the God. And here Kardama had particularly pleased the Lord. Lord came in front of him. Now in turn, now let us hear Krishna or the Vishnu is glorifying Swayambhu Manu. It's not only that you worship him, even sometimes the Lord worships his devotees. We know that how very nicely Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had told the story of Khircharo Gopinath. He is glorifying the devotee. This is reciprocal. Ye yatha mam prabhadante tam sathaiva bhajameham. In accordance one worships, Lord reciprocate accordingly. So here he is trying to glorify the Swayambhu Manu and he is confirming the Lord's words are never false. He is confirming he is known by his righteous act. Even Krishna is saying, yes, he is a righteous person. Otherwise, what we do? We praise among ourselves. He is good, he is good, he is good. But when Lord is saying he is a righteous person and he is residing in Brahmavarta and controller of the 7 oceans, all the 7 continents, he is ruling over. And is so righteous that everybody is very, very happy. Now, what Vishnu is trying to do, he is giving Kardama a hint. Well, you are also a devotee. But another devotee is going to come and meet you. And when they two meet, Machita, Madhgata Prana, Bodhayanta Parasparam, Kathayanta Shamam Nityam, Tushyanti cha Ramanti cha. I don't know how many of you have really felt the Tushyanti Ramanti. Sometime when we have prasadam, that time we are Tushyanti, but not Ramanti. before you start thinking, oh my God, today very nice prasadam, what happened tomorrow? So we may become Tushyanti for some time, but no Ramanti. Ramanti means when you completely involved. Like when you put water in the milk, the water becomes Ramanti. He loses his existence. He loses his existence and becomes one with whom he is meeting. So similarly, devotees are like that. When they are Ramanti, they lose their existence and they meet with the Lord. Though their existence remain. Natvevaham na jatu nasam na tvam neme na janadipa. Never there was a time that you do not exist and I did not. So this Ramanti, when they forget themselves, you must have seen those who are singing Hare Krishna Mahamantra. After 3-4 hours also singing Mahamantra, then they come in a mood to sing more. Ramanti, Ramanticha. So Lord Vishnu is confirming that the son of Brahma, Swami Manu, is a righteous person. And this is the wealth one has. Any wealth you have is a righteousness. If somebody is righteous, he is remembered long after his death. Maybe many, many years after his death. His righteousness will be remembered. Other people are remembered, but you hate them to name them. Like you may remember Hitler, but you don't like to. You may remember Churchill, or you remember Ceausescu, or Colonel Gaddafi, or that. You may remember them, but you really don't, you feel disgusted within your heart. But when you talk of the devotees, you feel very happy. And so many of you may be saying, you know what? I met that Swamiji. You know what? I have heard from that Swamiji. You know what? I met that devotee. You know what? I have heard from that devotee. Because Tushyanti cha, Ramanti cha. Very, very difficult, but all possible. Krishna has never said anything in either Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavatam that one cannot accomplish. In Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam or in Ramayana, Rama never said, I have killed one Ravana. Now your chance, go and kill Ravana. Or Krishna saying, I have lifted Govardhana hill. Now it's your chance to lift Govardhana hill. Or I have subdued Kaliya. Now my dear sir, you go and do the same thing. He is not asking that. He is simply asking such a small thing. Man mana bhavamat bhakto madhyaji mam namaskaro. What a simple thing. Yad karosi yadasnasi juosi yadati sat. Yad tapasya konteya tad kursamadharpanam. What a simple thing. And we find it very, very difficult. Me and my wife, when she makes the prasadam, then she says, you offer. I said, no, you offer. No, I am tired, you offer. You see? She said, no, you offer. I just came from the office. I don't know. We are getting a chance to do the bhakti. But she said, no, you do it. Or when daughter is at home, she will do everything. I will not do anything. This is our bhakti towards Krishna. Krishna giving a chance, but we are not taking the chance. And then you know what you are saying? Oh, this bhakti is very, very difficult to perform. Yeah, Prabhu, very, very difficult. My God. You bring a plate of prasadam, put in front of Krishna. Is it a difficult thing? Are you doing the weight lifting or the prasadam plate that you find it very, very difficult? No. Because Matirna Krishna Paratoshatova. God is giving a chance every now and then, but we don't take the chance. And then sometime, because I'm a preacher, no? So I tell my wife and daughter, I am giving you a chance to do service. See, so liberal I am. I'm giving you a chance to do service. Whether I'm very lazy. They say, when a man in Rajoguna, he is always in anxiety. A man in Rajoguna is always in anxiety. And a man in Tamoguna is always under illusion. In the Tamoguna, complete illusion. In Rajoguna, complete anxiety. And when Sattvam to Parama Darshana, we have not developed the Sattva-guna as yet. Why? Because we are not carrying out the instruction of the Acharyas or the Sreshtas. So here Vishnu is praising Swayambhu Manu, that he is a very righteous person. And by that righteousness, he has become the ruler of the 7 oceans. Bharat Khanda Bharat Varse, complete sovereignty, without any enemy, without any obstacles. Why? Narayana Prayana. And anybody who is Narayana Prayana or who is Krishna Parayana, these problems never occur to him. Physically, these problems never occur to him. But yes, if you are playing with the mind, then he can see the problem. If he is playing with the mind, using the mind, then yes, he can see the problem. But his mind is engaged in the service of Krishna, then there are no problem. Sreshta hai tu srishti ka, tu hi jag ka data, tera jaisa chintan hoga, yug vese ban jata. Even in the age of Kali, you can enjoy the propensity of all of the 3 yugas, Satya, Treta, Dwapar. You can do that. It is all possible and all practical, provided if we want to do it. Otherwise, Kali, yes. Problem for everybody. Different kinds of problem. I give an example. Whether it is a backache, headache, toothache, eye ache, earache, or a spiral cord ache, ache is a ache. Pain is a pain. You cannot say, my pain is worse than others' pain. Everybody's pain is same. Fever, even 98.5 or 102, fever is a fever. For those who are out of the body, those who are videha, they are saying that anybody who is attached to the body, he is always afraid of death. Anyone who is attached to the body, he will be always afraid to death. And anyone who is not attached to the body, he is never afraid of death. So if you are afraid of death, it means you are too attached to your body or a bodily extension. And if you are not attached to the body, then you never think of death. Inevitably it has to come, so what? So what if death comes to me? No fear at all. But if you are attached to the body, then lot of fear. Lot of fear. So it's up to us whether we want to live in Sattva-guna, in Tamo-guna, or in Rajo-guna. Choice is ours. Krishna has put everything in auto mode except intelligence. He said, no, my dear, you have to develop the intelligence. It is not in auto mode. Like you want to walk, you just walk. It's auto mode. You want to see, you just see. Auto mode. You want to raise your hand, auto mode. But intelligence is not in auto mode. One has to develop the intelligence. And what is intelligence? Who I am. Athato Parama Jigyasa, who I am. I am born to a family, to parents, in a particular area, geographical area. Why? And if at all I am here, what I am supposed to do? What is expected from me? And then when we have these feelings, automatically answers will come. Many times if you are hearing Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, you may have some questions within your heart. They are answered and you will not even notice that how you got an answer. It's answered. Krishna residing in everyone's heart. He understands everybody what he wants. As yesterday we were discussing, if a thief wants to rob, he gives him that intelligence. If somebody wants to preach, he gives him that intelligence. If somebody wants to boss over, he gives that intelligence. He always gives the intelligence. In whatever way we are thinking, desiring. Because after all, we are a part and parcel of Krishna. And he says, as I am free to do what I want, similarly my part and parcel should be free to do what they want. So we have to develop our intelligence. Buddhi buddhimatam asmi tejaha tejusvinamaham. Or balam balavatam chaha. Is actually everything is me. So see, the devotee having a conversation with the personality of Godhead. There are very few. Maybe Prahlada, Dhruva, Narada, Ambarisha, or Rantideva, and so many other people. The Kumaras, they can talk to God face to face. And how lucky you are. You are witnessing their conversation. You are witnessing their conversation. They are personified in front of us. And you can see them through the agency of your ear. Not only you have to see with your eyes, you can through the ear also you see. Somebody say, Prabhuji, what are you talking about? How can we see from the ear? I said, yes, we can always see from the ear. Like let us say, somebody says, this is the wall. Now, prior to that, you did not know what the wall is. You heard the word wall. Yeah, wall. So you heard or you saw from the air, and now when you visualize that kind of thing, say, yeah, here's a wall. So practically you have heard from the air. Paravishta karnarangrena is Paravishta. Krishna goes within the heart, not through eyes, but sometime with the ear. So we are hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, it means Kardama Muni, the greatest of the personality, and Vishnu is in front of us. You have to just visualize. But let us say, if you are busy in your WhatsApp, if you are busy doing some other work, if your mind is somewhere else while listening to Srimad Bhagavatam, then these personalities are not visible to you. But those who are paying the attention, Suno Tat Katha Manlai, they can visualize the Kardama Muni standing, Vishnu is standing, and you can visualize them. And once you have visualized Krishna, all the papas from your heart will run away. This like here, the flock of deer. Doesn't matter whether they're 1 deer or 1 million deer or 1 trillion deer. If the lion comes and says, wow, everybody will run away. Million will run away. So similarly, the papas that we have acquired from time immemorial, simply chanting the name of Krishna, they all run away. If you can understand that. So, I think I should come to the conclusion of my talk. Then from next word, we'll find out who's going to come and how they are going to come. But I'm just saying, the Emperor Swayambhu Manu, the son of Brahma, who is well known for his righteous act, has his seat in the Brahma Vaivarta and rules over the earth with its 7 oceans. Vishnu is appreciating what a nice soul it is, how righteous he has become. So our duty from the whole, the summary of this sloka is, every one of us has to become righteous. And you can only become the righteous, how? Advishta sarva bhutana, maitra karuna evacha, nirvaro hankara sukha dukkha sukha kshami. You can become righteous if you are advishta. To whom? Sarva bhutana. Not only that, maitraha. Not only that, karuna evacha. Nirmamo nirahankara. How much ahankari we are? Today I got up and I saw the message that FCC Kirtan at 8 o'clock. Okay, I logged in. Then after some time, Chandrasekhar Prabhu also logged in. I said, Prabhuji, where the katha is going on? Where the Kirtan going on? Well, Prabhuji, let me find out. I don't know. I'm also here. So we both are looking at one another. I said, I don't know, Prabhu.
Last night.
The question sometimes, it was ringing in my mind, no? Because holidays, we have to do Harinam Kirtan. Okay, I have seen it, I have read it, but I have not read the date, no? But it was in my mind. Harinam Kirtan, today, holiday, no? So we'll have Harinam Kirtan. So sometimes when you go in the mood, then you go with the flow. You don't your intelligence. You go with the flow. Okay. Holiday, you mean Harinam Kirtan. And then Prabhu said, very nice thing. He said, Prabhu, actually this is for tomorrow. He wrote to me, Prabhuji, no, it is for tomorrow. I said, but tomorrow is not a holiday. How can you have the congregation? Then I understood. Prabhu wanted to say yesterday. I was thinking, yeah, tomorrow, I don't know. I'll be in the office. How can you have the Harinam Kirtan tomorrow? So I tell you, guys, you are Sreshta. Whatever you say, people are watching. Whatever you say, whatever you write, people are watching. Like our Mahesh Pandit Prabhu. He told me, our Grace Vijay Matadas Prabhu. He did not make a mistake. But listen, people are listening. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So we have to be very, very careful what we talk. Today somebody was telling me, well, we should appreciate God. God is bigger than the Guru. Guru are at the feet of the God. So appreciate God. Great, so you are great to the God. I said, sir, which is the God? He said, God. I said, no, but which is the God? Which God? You don't know God? He who is the generator, originator, and destroyer. I said, but who is he? Who is he? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. So sometimes people are listening to you. People are listening to you. So be very, very careful and talk about Krishna, and then you enjoy the life. Just an example. I'm just saying, example means whatever you say, people will take it for serious. Why? Yada yada acharat sreshtaha tatta deve taro janaha sa pramanam yat kurute lokastad anubhat. So, just pulling your legs, but we have to be very, very careful what we say and how we say. You know what? The Arjuna had asked, Isthiti pragna sakavhasa samadhis tasya kesava Isthiti dhi kim prabhaseta kim aseta varjeta kim. How a man should talk and sit and behave. Those who are expected to rule the masses. So I think with this I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be with you. Hare Krishna.